Mama's joy. Daddy, I'm 6 months today. I'm eating Cerelac. Wow, look at me, Daddy. I'm eating Cerelac. Wow, David, baby boy. That is dream. Mama's joy. Wanted natin itong mga to. I love you, David, baby boy. Eating Cerelac. We're now living in... RJ, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, Tito Rene. Say hi. Say hi. 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 Okay, this is the house. Not totally finished. The finishing of this house will be done after we move to the other house. So there's David. Screen doors is installed. Okay, this is the screen door. Okay, main door. Kitchen door. The kitchen. Okay, the dining. Nothing's new here. May screen na rin yan. Toilet, ground floor. Okay, that is our tambak pa. Okay, up. Okay. Crib of David. There's David eating Cerelac. Hi, David. Hi, David. They are now fixing the dirty kitchen with the roof like that. The old roof will be placed there. Reverse osmosis was not installed. It has a factory defect, so it was being replaced there. It will be placed there. So that's the dirty kitchen. This is the area. Have you seen the water tank there? That high already, but apparently the water is still not good enough, so we will try another one. But it's over the roof now. Look, it's over the roof. Okay. Dirty kitchen. So we're now living here. Buldura of the back. Ito yung mga bagong natatapos. So hindi ba tapos? Ginagawa pa rin. So yung bahay. There. So go back now. David eating Cerelac. Number 2 na ang milk niya. Now David will have number 2 lacto-free from previously number 1. Now we'll go to number 2. Wala na siyang pupu. Very good na. Hi, David. Say bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. I love you. We'll go to the mall later. Outside from the main door. The That's our crosswind. May tambak tayo dyan. We're not allowed to make tambak outside. So, nandiyan na yung graba natin. Nandun naman yung buhangin. So, nandiyan na. Nandito yung mga tambak namin. Oh. There. May natutulog pa! Good morning! Ayan, may natutulog pa dito sa... Grabe. It's 7 in the morning. 7 in the morning.
It's time to walk na. Oh, sleeper na.
Ay,
Agi si ate naman.